How we doing, guys? This is Dr. from MEDIABOXENT. So let me show you one solution I find in this a Fire Stick. Either Fire Stick 1, 2, whatever you want to plug, any of the Fire Stick you want to plug it straight to your TV. First, you get that annoying cable. I don't want that cable. I don't have any plug close to the TV. I just got one cable to power the TV. I don't want any other cable. So either the oldest TVs or the new TV, they all have some USB connector right in the TV, either 1, 2. In my case, I have an old TV, it has only one. The problem is sometimes that TV or that USB output cannot give enough current, and the problem you will have if you run 4K, the OS on the Fire Stick, it will crash. And you say, why is crashing or why is freezing? That's because you don't get enough power from the TV to power up the Fire Stick. And another solution is just, well, you have to plug it right in the wall, right? But I don't want that. I don't want that cable. So looking and searching, I figured out one solution, and that solution using a USB power adapter. What this will do will guarantee you always get the same output. So no matter what you get, so you always guarantee you always get enough current. And it's a pretty nice, easy, nice device. So the way it works, I would like to show you my TV. Put my TV in the back of that TV. There's no space, so there's no way for me to put a camera. I was trying to take a picture out of this. So now the way it works, you just plug this right in your TV, and then you see the red light coming up. And as simple as that, you're gonna add to your Fire Stick 2, and you're just gonna go and plug it in, and that's it. So now this device, it works like a filter, like a transformer. It will always guarantee to get the same power. So all they say, yeah, your TV, you got maybe an old TV, not enough power, not enough juice goes from the output of the USB into your Fire Stick, and then you wonder why you just freeze and crashes and normal crashes you get in your Fire Stick. So now, since I'm using this, no more problems, and maybe it's my old TV, whatever it is. But another good solution is guarantee you can throw your power supply away and just use this, because all TV now they have that. So that's a nice thing. So you just go plug it in, run your TV, and just in your HDMI, plug this in your HDMI, and just plug this into USB. And definitely this gets hidden somewhere. Or you can use some 3M sticker or whatever you want to use just to hold it. But normally, in my case, I can just put it right in the back of my TV and inside it. Let's go almost like this. That's the way to have my TV. There's no way to take it. There's no space between the wall and the TV. So like this, and it will fix your problem. Now, let me know what you think of this product. If you ever used it before, I think it's a real cool product to take care of the problems of the power on your Fire Stick. Let me know. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this product? And I'll see you next time. Bye.